Every life has a story to tell, to inspire, to motivate, to shout out to the world and say, I was not just destined, but I am the result of my values, my inspirations, my sacrifices, my habits, my hard work. Every life has a story to tell. Welcome to Life in Conversation, a platform where we bring in such stories to you. Common people, uncommon stories.
We all dream big, but very few wake up and work hard to achieve it. Let's meet Mr. Ramesh Thaure, a very dedicated performer who comes from a humble farmer family in a small village, Anandgaon in Bid. He came to Pune for computer classes in 2002, worked in 2 companies for sales, but a heart-touching incident changed his mind. He took up part-time LIC agency in 2005. Since then, there is no looking back. His journey from a salesman, a team leader, to 5-time NDRT achiever is much interesting and motivating. His fast decision-taking abilities helped him to shift to full-time career in insurance agency in just 2 years. His hard implementation strategies, enthusiasm, and desire to achieve his dreams has taken him to very high places. Now he stays on 30th floor at Nanded City. His success mantra is free and quality service. His down-to-earth nature, self-driven attitude has made a star out of him. Proactive decision-making capacities and fast implementation has taken him to the top performer club in Kothur branch. You tell him something and he will implement it without giving a second thought. He is a dedicated social worker, active member of Nanded City service team, and always takes active participation in events organized by his team like blood donation camps and many more. A smiling boy comes to a city like Pune with big dreams in his tiny eyes, but most importantly with a zeal and zest to achieve all of them. His journey from 2005 to 2020 has many milestones: a big royal house, a luxurious car, and a happy blessed family. His kids go to the best school today, and he carries the best smile when you talk about them. A family man, he tells you the best moment of his life was when he saw joyful tears in his parents' eyes when they came to visit his new home in Pune to see the hard-fought success of their son. Well, he does not stop here. He has very big dreams. Just to share one day Nangre sir called him to wish for his MDRT 2020 achievement. He said, "Sir, I have already prepared plan for COT achievement of 2020. That is Ramesh, a soft, smiling, sincere, self-driven, social and service-focused person. He has big career ahead and we all wish him great heights in the future. Ramesh, we want you to challenge the skies. Best wishes from Life in Conversation. We would love to see you again. Thank you."
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Life in Conversation. Common people, uncommon stories.